What if I told you that this entire animation was made with a single AI tool in just a single click? There's a new AI tool on the block. In just a few simple clicks, you can create high-quality animations using the AI tool. Animate AI is the world's first all-in-one AI video generator designed to create animated video series, meaning that all it needs is a single input to enable users generate high-quality animations quickly and efficiently through advanced AI technology to streamline the video creation process. Animate AI revolutionizes storytelling with AI-driven tools that simplify the creative process. It generates consistent character designs for seamless continuity and transforms scripts into detailed, editable storyboards within minutes. You can create dynamic videos in various styles, including animation and trailers. And in addition to that, it covers everything from text and image generation to professional voiceovers, music, and video production. As a YouTube content creator, you can integrate Animate AI into your content creation for animated tutorials, storytelling series, educational content, or promotional materials. Let me demonstrate how this works. To get started, there's a link in the video description below. You can try out the beta version for free, or use the code provided below to get 10% off. Now, here I am on the Animate Pro website. This is the Creative tab, and as you can see, the UI is simple and user-friendly. Starting from scratch, let's make a story. This is the text box where you describe your story in a few sentences so that the AI generates an animated story. I already have a story I want to make, and here's my description. In a little village surrounded by a magical forest, a curious bunny named Benny dreams of becoming a brave explorer. One day, Benny discovers a mysterious map hidden in his grandma's attic, leading to the rainbow carrot of wishes. With his best friend, a clever squirrel named Tilly, they go on an adventure full of puzzles, hidden tunnels, and friendly forest creatures. Along the way, they learn about teamwork, bravery, and believing in themselves. I'm going to copy and paste this text into the prompt box and adjust a few settings. In the general settings, I can adjust the number of scenes. I want about 5. As you can see, you can also adjust scene duration, visual style, resolution, text model, image model, language, and voiceover. These controls allow you to customize the video to your preferences. Once everything looks good, click on Save. The aspect ratio, resolution, and scene duration look fine, so I'll click Enter. The AI begins by analyzing the text description and generating a story from the prompt. Next is consistent character design, where it creates a 3-view image of the character. Then it generates the scene text description and the visual images for each scene, creating the storyboard. The next step is generating storyboard videos. After a few seconds, all the storyboard videos are generated, followed by the voiceover narration. Finally, everything is combined into one single video. This AI tool is highly advanced. Just provide a simple text description, click Enter, and the AI handles everything from prompt analysis and storyline generation to consistent character design, storyboard creation, and final video production within 2-3 minutes. Here's the final result.
Benny's heart raced with excitement as he discovered the map that promised adventure. The forest loomed ahead, full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Benny felt a thrill of adventure as he discovered the hidden tunnel. Every step through the maze brought Benny closer to his goal. In the end, Benny realized the true treasure was the journey itself.
I tried another prompt with a different style. This time, my description was, make an animated Disney-style film about Amun, a young boy whose father Darius, a carpenter in medieval Egypt, is wrongly imprisoned for theft. Amun finds a prophecy about a carpenter's son destined to unite the kingdom. He journeys through pyramids and temples, solving riddles and gaining the people's trust. Amun proves Darius' innocence by exposing the real culprit, and the people demand the emperor step down. Darius is crowned emperor, fulfilling the prophecy. I'll select my settings, and as you can see, it processes the prompt, designs the character, generates the story, and puts everything together to create the final story. Here's the final result.
In the heart of Egypt, young Amun stood ready to change his father's fate. Every riddle brought Amun closer to the truth. Not every path led to answers, but Amun's spirit never wavered. In the heart of the pyramid, secrets of the past awaited discovery. With courage and wisdom, Amun unveiled the truth, changing the kingdom's fate forever.
As I mentioned earlier, this AI tool is an all-in-one solution for animated content creation. The Autopilot mode automates video creation by analyzing prompts and generating high-quality results without manual effort. Additionally, the AI Video Enhancer optimizes for professional 720p output, and its cost efficiency makes high-quality animation over 30% more affordable than traditional methods. You can create any type of animation, from educational to entertainment content. There's a link in the video description, and using the code will get you 10% off. If you found this content useful, please do well to subscribe and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.